Hi guys, I'm Nora. I'm Japanese and live in the UK. In the previous video, I introduced the basic usage of SHIO-KOJI. This time too, I'll introduce a simple dish using this SHIO-KOJI. Let's start it. This time, I'll introduce a chicken saute made with SHIO-KOJI. Sprinkle pepper on both sides of the chicken. Make a hole in the chicken with a fork. Put the chicken in a clean plastic bag. Add 2 tablespoons of SHIO-KOJI and let it blend in well. Cut the vegetables. Add 2 tablespoons of SHIO-KOJI and mix. Leave it for 15 minutes. Spread the oil on the frying pan. Lightly wipe SHIO-KOJI and grill with the bird skin side. Brown the chicken. After that, add vegetables, cover and steam for about 5 minutes. When the chicken is cooked enough, cut chicken into bite-sized pieces and serve. Thank you for watching until the end. If you have any Japanese seasoning that you wouldn't how to use, please let me know in the comments. And please like and subscribe to this channel. Have a lovely day. See you next time.